All right, earlier we talked about all the storefront features and its customizations, and also cover all different discounting strategies and different discount types, but we really didn't create any actual campaign, and we didn't test it in action to see how does it look and how would it look like in your storefront. So let's jump into it right away. And let's say I want to give all of my items in my store a 10% discount. So let's say get 10% on everything as a campaign name. I will leave the discount message to default to discount mixer. I will put the 10% here. As you can see, I have a preview in my preview section, and it will kind of tell me how would it be look like on my storefront. And I can also check out the summary of my campaign to make sure if everything as expected. I also want to enable the countdown timer for this campaign. So let's set an end time for it and enable the countdown. Let's do it for like Friday the 14th. And everything is sorted. All we need to do is to save the campaign and make sure you have enabled the discount view app embed, and we just have to jump into a storefront and boom, the discount is appear smoothly on the storefront. You can set everywhere on your store, in your home page, collection page, like here it's called catalog, and you can also see them in your PDP pages. And yeah, this is kind of how does it look like in your storefront. You have the strike through original price, discounted price, and a badge that offers 10% off. And here is countdown timer that let your customers know you have this enabled for the next 2 days. And yeah, that's all about all product discount feature and how you can manage it and view it on your storefront.